In this video, I'm gonna show you how to become smarter in 5 minutes. In fact, this method helped me move from the place of potential to optimal performance when it comes to decision making. It's Jason Duran here, and this channel is the place where you'll find actionable tips for marketing, sales, mindset growth, and even more. If you want to decrease stress while preparing for exams, reprogram your brain to stop forgetting important facts and get focused on what is important, well, today I'm gonna make that easy for you. Today I'll give you the formula of how to be smarter in just 5 minutes. Sound interesting? Keep watching. I have a question for you. If someone asked you to give up for the next 20 years of your life without being paid, how long would it take you to make that decision? Maybe you know the story of Andrew Carnegie, believed to be the world's first billionaire. He called a young reporter into his office and asked him to devote 20 years to interviewing only the world's richest people in order to share the secret of wealth, success, and happiness. But do you know that Mr. Carnegie secretly held a stopwatch beneath his desk and gave Napoleon Hill only 60 seconds to answer yes or no before he'd lose the opportunity forever? Mr. Carnegie knew that if Napoleon Hill required more time to think about it, then he was the wrong guy. You see, Mr. Carnegie knew that successful people make decisions quickly. Napoleon Hill took 30 seconds to say yes, and his lack of indecision led to the writing of Think and Grow Rich, the best-selling book responsible for helping to create an estimated million millionaires. The moral of this story is that everyone would like to make decisions quickly like Napoleon Hill, Gandhi, Albert Einstein, and other geniuses. However, there's a way. There's a way that you can be smarter than you are now. Let me explain. A study says that there are certain people with more gray matter in their brain, which means more gray matter, better decision making, and working memory. In other words, higher IQ, intelligence quotient. But why do some people have up to 30% more of this matter? The answer is simple: meditation. In fact, an experiment done by neuroscientist Sarah Lazar said people who meditate can change their brains for the better. She did 2 studies. In her first study, she looked at long-term meditators, those with 7 to 9 years of experience, versus a group who didn't meditate. The results showed that those with a strong meditation background had increased gray matter in several areas of their brain. Lazar and her team wanted to make sure this wasn't because the long-term meditators had more gray matter to begin with. So they conducted a second study. In it, they put people with no experience with meditation into an 8-week mindfulness program. The results, even just 8 weeks of meditation, changed people's brain in several regions, including the left hippocampus, involved in learning, memory, and emotional regulation. The TPJ involved in empathy and ability to take multiple perspectives. How long do you have to meditate to see such results? Well, you can do it for just 5 minutes per day to start, and then you try it for longer periods. How to meditate? You can close your eyes, focus your attention on the breath and how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Notice the movement of your bodies as you breathe. After 8 weeks, your brain will change for the better. The benefits are the reduction in the size of the amygdala, correlated to reduced stress levels, fear, anxiety, and aggression. I was gonna end the video right here, but I decided to give you a quick bonus tip, which is to read a book about self-development at least 30 minutes a day to help you maintain your motivation high. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Now I wanna turn it over for you. How long are you gonna meditate? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or longer? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.